What's up, everybody? What's good? What's great? It's your girl J Queen, and I am back to y'all with another video. So while we at it, let's go ahead and get to it, because I need y'all to like, I need y'all to subscribe, and I need y'all to comment. I really need y'all to hit that notification bell so you can see when I drop some new content. So I got some tea for y'all today. Let's get it.
Came so far, nothing like the ordinary.
Y'all, we need to touch some of that extra shh. And I feel like I need to reel y'all in on some knowledge and some stuff that I've actually learned while I've been doing natural remedies, okay? So this is not just for my women. I'm going to cover my men as well. So let's go ahead and start it off. Y'all, that extra shh. This is the GOAT. Do you hear me? The GOAT. Like, if you have something going on, most likely this gonna help you with it. So let me show y'all what it is. Do y'all see that? Like, I know y'all done seen some little memes online. I just don't know if y'all have tried it for yourself. Y'all, coconut oil. Unrefined, natural 100% coconut oil. It might hit your pockets just a little bit, but I have had this same jar for the last year and a half, and trust me, I done used it for a bunch of stuff. I've used it for a bunch of stuff. So why did I say this is that extra shh? Because let me get right to it. Coconut oil cures candida. What is candida? It is the main component for yeast. It will cure your yeast infection, ladies, okay? And for my guys, there's a such thing as athlete's foot, and there's a such thing as thrust. My guys, you can get a yeast infection.
What?
Yeah, you can. And you'll keep it longer than a woman will. And how do you cure that? This baby here, okay? And you will automatically feel the difference. Now that I done covered the big stuff, let me tell y'all about some small things that coconut oil can be used for, okay? If you have dry skin, if you have eczema, coconut oil is the GOAT. Say it with me. If you have any kind of cracking skin, if you have a cold sore on your lip, you guessed it, y'all, coconut oil is the GOAT. Ladies, if you are pregnant right now, guess what will help them stretch marks? Coconut oil. Yeah. Ain't nobody told you this before, huh? Yeah, I know. I was mad because somebody could have told me that this was the natural remedy for a lot of stuff. So of course you can actually use coconut oil for your hair. Coconut oil is a big lubricant, so only if you have dry hair. If not, you want to actually combine it with something. You can use coconut oil for aromatherapy purposes. It is a carrier oil, which means whatever you add to it, it will bind it together. When you have coconut oil at a certain temperature, if it's very hot, it will be a liquid in liquid form, but it'll always combine back to this paste. That extra shh. You can use coconut oil as a lubricant. I said what I said. You ain't gotta go buy no KY. Like, you up in here with this coconut oil, you cooking with it, you doing your hair with it, you curing your yeast infection with it, you using it to remove your makeup, you using it to unclog your pores, you using it for oil pulling of your teeth. Y'all, you need this in your house, okay? You need this in your house. Women, you need this in your house. Men, I'm trying to make sure I remember everything, y'all. But don't have Neosporin. You guessed it. Coconut oil. But there really is a bunch of uses. And the reason why I put this under extra shh is because mainly people don't realize that it is antifungal. And that means even as using it for a deodorant, you guys. And the fact that, yes, when I say you can use it for a yeast infection, I mean putting it inside. It is, as long as it's the natural, I cannot stress that enough. It needs to be 100% coconut oil. I will actually drop the brand that I have, and I've already showed you the one. If I can find a link for it online, I bought this one out of Walgreens, and that was actually a while ago. And I want to say it was like $10. But if you listening to me, you listening to all this tea, that's a $10 well spent. So go get you some coconut oil, put it to use. And if you have any question on anything else that it can actually be used for, one of these juices that I've actually stated, if you want me to do a video and show you how I use it, besides all the extra, I'm not showing y'all that. But if you do need any tips on it, you can hit me up personally. I don't mind answering questions like that. Just remember that some of the things that your grandparents actually told you, some of them home remedies, even some of those old wives' tales, they actually do work. It's always something alternative, and there's always something holistic in a home remedy that you can use. You don't have to go straight up to the doctor for everything that you have. I am a true living proof of that. So listen to your girl. And since we edit, I wanted to show y'all your girl hair still looking pretty good, okay? And I actually like my twist when it's gotten to a point of I actually had them for a while. We gonna see if these twists survive Juneteenth. That's a whole nother story, because your girl gonna be in the water when it comes to that. But that was just a simple thing that I had to tell y'all. We had to talk it out on today, and I had to let y'all know what was up. Like I said, have any questions, ask me. Make sure you have liked, subscribed. If you have a question, please comment. Please hit that bell so you can know when I drop some more information that you might just need. But until then, holla at your girl. That's it, and that's lit.